welcome back to my channel Series Talks. In today's video, we'll be reviewing one of the most trending series in Netflix, that is Elite. So in today's video, we'll be sharing with you a brief review on all the 3 seasons of Elite, and then you can decide whether to watch it or not. So do watch this video till the end. But before let's begin, do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you never miss on any of our videos. So let's begin. Elite is a Spanish thriller teen drama web television series available in Netflix. The series is set in Los Encinas, a fictional elite secondary school, and revolves around the relationship between 3 working class teenage students enrolled at a school through scholarship and their wealthy classmates. It has currently 3 seasons and the 4th season is said to be arriving soon. You will find 8 episodes in each season. The series has an IMDb rating of 7.6, which is pretty good. As I said, the show's main plot lies within the school Los Encinas and the students studying there. So the show starts with a police officer questioning the students about the mysterious death of Marina. Marina, who is a student and studies in Los Encinas. She is a rich wealthy girl who was found murdered in the school and her body was found beside the pool. So the first season jumps back and forth between all the students being questioned by the police officer who tries to solve the murder of Marina. At the end of season 1, the killer is revealed to the audience but not in the show. Spoiler alert, don't worry, I won't say the name. Romance and friendship plays a crucial role in this television series, and this is what makes this show worthwhile to watch in Netflix. The character Carla is said to be the most loved character in this series because of her beauty. So in the beginning of season 2, we all know who murdered Marina, but instead of the murderer, Nano was held arrested. In season 2, Samuel, who is Nano's brother, tries everything he can to prove his brother's innocence. Now let me tell you about some important characters and love relationship that you will be finding in the show. So firstly, you will find Samuel and Marina, then Guzman and Nadia, Polo and Carla and Christian, then Omar and Ender, and then lastly Lou and Valerio. Also, in the beginning of season 3, it is shown that Polo is found dead, and again season 3 focuses on solving the mysterious murder of Polo. So in conclusion, I would like to say that this series is a perfect thriller teen drama series and you should definitely watch it. With this, I hope you really liked this video and this review was helpful for you. And if you did, do like and share this video with your friends and definitely recommend them to watch this amazing series. Also, if you have already watched this series, do give us your reviews in the comment section and show some love. Also with this, we'll meet again soon and thank you.